I'm Sheila Hemphill with Texas Right to Know. Today is February 6th and we're here at the state capitol looking for authors to submit our healthcare consumer rights bill. When looking through the legislation and code, we found that patient rights are in the advanced directive section, the mentally ill, and for Medicare patients. Why must I be at end of life, declared mentally ill, or be 65 or older before residents in the state of Texas have rights regarding how they go about their health care wellness plans as well as their plans of care from their practitioners? This bill includes practitioners under Title III and Title IV, which are all the health care providers of MDs, DOs, massage therapists, athletic trainers, anyone licensed, for medical, and also Title IV, which is for veterinary. Providers are unlicensed practitioners like naturopaths, nutrition consultants. Guardianship includes an individual's children, animals, or behalf of those who the individual has been granted administrative authorization by medical power of attorney or by court order. The healthcare consumer means individuals or their representatives as allowed by state law seeking guidance on or treatment of healthcare issues for practitioners and providers for the individual and those in guardianship by the individuals. In this document, the areas in yellow or green are patterned after the Medicare Patient Rights Bill, which says that this regulation requires practitioners or providers, which in the Medicare bill it said physicians, to actively include the healthcare consumer in the development, implementation, and revision of an individual's wellness plan or plan of care for self or those in guardianship to meet the healthcare consumer's desired psychological, physiological, and medical needs. These rights include being informed of health status, being involved in wellness and care planning and treatment, and being able to request or refuse treatment. These rights must not be construed as a mechanism to demand the provision of treatment or services deemed medically unnecessary or inappropriate. Two sentences that were added are healthcare consumers have the right to self-determine validity of information provided by the practitioner or provider as being true or false, and that determination is not the responsibility of the state or federal government or regulatory agencies. This is specifically to address the abuse found in section Rule 164.3 of the Texas Administrative Code regarding where the medical board can determine information that is false, misleading, or deceptive. We believe that information that the person, the healthcare consumer, has the right to determine information being true or false, and is not the responsibility of the state. This also allows healthcare consumers to have the right to exempt their healthcare practitioner or provider from the limitations of standard of care in the development, implementation of an individual's wellness plan or a plan of care for self or those in guardianship. Counsel and development and implementation of an individual's wellness plan or plan of care by exempted practitioners or providers is not to be deemed a violation of standard of care. This specifically addresses the abuses that we have found from the Texas Medical Board in Rule 190.8, where not following the standard of care is deemed a violation. So that as physicians, we're practicing under Chapter 200 of Standards for Physicians Practicing Complementary Alternative Medicine. When they were doing such, they were cited under Rule 190.8 for not following standard of care, deemed it a violation. If they even spoke about it, they were deemed providing false or misleading information. So this healthcare consumer rights deals with we the people, that we should not have to wait to be a patient, to be able to engage in our practitioners and our providers of our choosing, to have open communication and exempt them from the limitations of standard of care. So we encourage you to participate in this mission. Visit www.texasrighttoknow.com. Stay tuned as we give more updates on how this Texas legislator is hearing the needs of our healthcare consumers of Texas.